Today we're going to be talking about a really easy and fast, affordable stain remover. Moms, I know if you're anything like me, what happens is we spill something on ourselves, or our kids spill something on ourselves, or our husbands, right? And we don't get to stain remove it properly, and then when we finally get to wash day, it gets soaked in there and it's hard to get out. So I'm going to give you a really easy DIY stain remover that you'll want to have on hand in your laundry room, or even maybe in your car on trips, so that you can immediately put a little bit of that stain remover on there and make sure that you're taking care of the clothing, right? Our investment that we've made. All right, I'm so glad that you're joining me today. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification, and also the like. All right, so what essential oils remove stains? Well, lemon essential oil. I love doTERRA's lemon essential oil. It's so powerful and so potent. I love that we work directly with the farmers and we get our lemon essential oil from Italy. So it takes over 40 giant organic lemons to yield this beautiful 15 ml lemon essential oil. Well, did you know that when you squeeze that lemon or a lime, that little zest pocket that comes out, that's what we're bottling, not the juice or the acidic part, but outside of the rind. And so it is powerful and pure. You're gonna love doTERRA essential oil. So lemon essential oil has stain removing properties. Just a little bit of lemon oil in there and throw it in the wash. We've even had Sharpie on our beautiful white countertops, just a little bit of lemon essential oil on our white cabinets, and it comes right off. Eucalyptus oil is another oil that has very powerful stain removing properties, and so you'll want to have these on hand. Again, I love doTERRA's eucalyptus, sourced from where it is going to be best and indigenous for our bodies. That one comes from Australia. I love that we work with small farmers, and we're a blessing on both sides of the bottle. So we help over there, and we also help right here in our own home, so we can have these amazing, powerful benefits. So easy to use stain remover. You're going to love the doTERRA difference. You're going to considerably notice a difference in quality, potency, and purity. And of course, they're non-toxic, so you're going to love this. Be sure to go to RoxySaran.com and grab your lemon essential oil as well as your eucalyptus. I'd love to help you right there. Now make sure you're not going to your local grocery store and grabbing lemon and eucalyptus and putting it on your clothes and sending me nasty emails that it didn't work for you, because it won't work. They're not the same. doTERRA is uniquely positioned to be really different. We're a different essential oil company. All right, I'm so glad that you were here today. Let's hop to the next thing. And so greasy stains. So what happens when you get greasy stains on your clothing? I'm going to give you a really simple spray bottle recipe that you can do. So half a cup of white vinegar, 20 drops of doTERRA lemon essential oil. You'll love to have an 8-ounce glass spray bottle. You don't want to use plastic, because doTERRA's lemon is so potent. It's going to help break down those polymer bonds in the plastic, so you don't want that. You'll want to use a glass spray bottle. So you'll spray that remover right onto the stain and throw it in the wash. You don't want to let this one sit, because sometimes the essential oils can stain your clothing, so we don't want to do that if they sit for a long time. So half a cup of the white vinegar, 20 drops of lemon essential oil in an 8-ounce spray glass bottle. You're going to love this. Spray it right on the stain and throw it in the wash. All right, go to RoxySaran.com if you're ready to get started with doTERRA essential oils. I would be honored to help you right at RoxySaran.com. Okay, another staple for you in your home. You're going to love doTERRA's On Guard laundry soap. Super concentrated. You can put that directly on the stain. You can even put it in a roller bottle. We like to use the 10 ml glass roller bottles that you can grab on your doTERRA order as well. You can fill it up with the laundry soap and use that on the go for any stains as you are out and about, or even in your laundry room. Another thing you can do is the On Guard Concentrate Cleaner. Now, I'm a super fan of the On Guard Concentrate Cleaner. If you've watched any of our videos, you know I talk about it all the time, because it's only $14.50 and it does like lots and lots of bottles of cleaner, and so you're going to love it. But just a little bit of the On Guard Concentrate Cleaner in a roller, and you can stain easily on the go. You can have one in your car or your backpack when you're traveling, and just have one on hand in your laundry room as well. I just roll a little bit of that directly on the stain, and the laundry soap and the On Guard Concentrate Cleaner, you can let that sit on the stain until your next wash day. You're going to love that. I am so glad that you were joining me today to learn how easy it is to incorporate doTERRA essential oils into your life. With just a few oils, you're going to see remarkable benefits.